There we go. Hold on. Okay, now it is.
Okay, so last night where I stayed, I went out to have something to eat for dinner. When I came back, somebody was on the top bunk and they had all these wet clothes draped over the top. So I had somebody's wet leggings right here on my face where I'm trying to sit up. So anyway, I decided, well, what can I do about this? And I waited until everybody was asleep because I'm reading my Kindle in the middle of the night, and she had her socks and her underwear and her bra and everything up here. So at some point I grabbed both pairs of socks and I put one inside my sleeping bag and I threw the other one off into the floor somewhere because to destroy distraction. So here's her bra. and one sock is in here. So now I gotta find the sock. Okay, but to throw distraction, I threw one sock off further off down in the room. But she gets up this morning at 4:15. So she's moving around. I have my little sleeping mask on, so I've got it on, but I can kind of see. And she's got her flashlight. She's looking for her clothes. So I think she actually found the one sock because it wasn't on the floor this morning, but she never found her bra. So she must have thought somebody further down had grabbed her clothes, dropped the sock, and didn't realize it. But there it is. It's been inside my sleeping bag. So there she is with her flashlight trying to find her clothes this morning at 4:15. And it was too bad it wasn't X-ray vision because they were inside my sleeping bag. So that's what happens when you're obnoxious to your bunk mates.
That's good.
There you go. I'm gonna put that up.
Good.
Enough? That's good.